let's learn about what we call the canvas part of a picture. So this is something that you'll have to learn to do before you can complete assignment number 3. So back out in your downloads, you can practice along with me. Here in the practice folder, we're going to take picture number 4, expand canvas. So pause the video if you want to, get that thing downloaded. Once you get it downloaded, you can find it and get it to where you want it to go. And then we'll open it up. There's mine. It's going into my practice folder from Photoshop. And again, every time we save something, notice you've got a pattern going on. You're not losing your original picture. Okay, we always save with a different file name so that we don't lose our original picture. If you ever were to lose your original picture, you can always go back and download it again. Okay, that's kind of your safety net. Okay, so we are going to open up that file. All right, so the assignment, like I said, this assignment is called expanding the canvas. Every picture has a canvas. Right now, the canvas is the same size as the photo, and you can't see it right now. And and you're gonna probably have to wait till the end of the video to kind of understand why you would want to do something like this. So let's go up here to the image menu, and here's canvas size. So a couple lessons ago, we did image size. Here's canvas size, okay? So we're gonna click on that canvas size, and then the box is going to come up right here. We're gonna come down to this area right here and work to create a new canvas, or extend the canvas, expand the canvas, so to say. And we're measuring in inches. That's something you can change if you need to. So just first of all, to understand what the canvas is, let's add a width of 4 inches, okay? And that's all we're gonna do is add a width of 4 inches. We're gonna leave it on relative, and we're not gonna do anything with the anchor points. We'll come back and learn more about those. And then the color of the canvas, you can have it be any color that you want it to be. Doesn't matter to me. Pick whatever color you want it to be, and then just simply click OK. And then click OK a second time here on the canvas size dialog box. And there you have it. So this area to the right and to the left is the canvas. So it's kind of like you expanded the area of the beyond the picture. And in this case, we only added a width of 4 inches. So it split it, and it put 2 inches of yellow space canvas on this side, and it put 2 inches on this side. So let's Command Z and undo that. Okay, so now you know what's going to happen when you do this. Let's go back to that image menu and do canvas side again. So this time, let's add a width of 4 inches. Again, leave it on relative. That'll help it to place it correctly for you. Now let's talk about what these anchor points mean down here. If I were, because I only put in a width, the only anchor points that really matter are this one that point to the left and the right, because that has to do with the width of the picture. If I click on this arrow that points to the left, that means the picture will move to the left side, and on the right side, the right arrow is where the canvas will go. So if I click on the left arrow, you'll see some of the arrows are going to go away. So join me and click on it. So that means the picture is going to be on the left. The canvas, all 4 inches of it, will go to the right. And so when you click OK, there you have your 4 inches of canvas all on the right. The picture went to the left. Okay, so remember the first time we didn't pick an arrow, so it split it evenly left and right. Let's undo that, and let's go back up and choose that canvas size again. If you change your width to 2 and you change your height to 2 and don't pick an arrow and go ahead and click OK, then it should put 1 inch on the top, 1 inch on the left, 1 on the right, 1 on, or excuse me, 1 inch, let's just say 1 inch all the way around. Splits the 2 width, 1 and 1, splits the 2 inches for height, 1 and 1, because you're not picking an anchor point for the picture. Where do you want to anchor that picture at? And there you have it. So one thing that you can use the canvas for is to create a nice little frame around your picture. Again, you can do that in any color you would want, okay? And again, the bigger you make that number, instead of 2 inches, 5, you get a bigger canvas area. So undo that. And the other reason that some people like to do canvas, let's do canvas size again. Let's do a width of 6 inches, nothing on the height. Let's anchor it. Let's put the picture on the right, and then the canvas will all go to the left, okay? Click that, and there you have it. Now, maybe I should have put more in there, but this could be like a Christmas card, where then you put, Merry Christmas, or a graduation thing where you put the name of the graduate and the dates of the open house and stuff like that. If we undo that, now that you kind of see what we're doing, and do canvas size again, what if we do a width of 12 inches? And again, move the picture to the right. Let's put the canvas to the left and click OK. There you go. See, now you even have more space. You could add text, which we really haven't done yet. This is your text tool. You could add other graphics. You could add all sorts of stuff to this and create either a graduation open house or a Christmas card type thing, anything you would want to do. So that's the steps that you follow to do the assignment called Expand the Canvas. If you have any questions, please let me know. Otherwise, good luck with your assignment.